It's like, you have written a function where function as the particular Java 1.2.5 as function remove the syntax. Some syntax was available in one version, in another version is not available. As of now, we created a project. This is a project. You see, it got refreshed. Now come back to the main. You ask me a question, what we will do here? I'll show you now. This is the project we created. Do you see any data here? Perfect. Let the job execute. You see, static code analysis completed. Go to SonarQube, reload this page, 47 seconds ago, 48 seconds ago. What all it is scanning it? Bugs, vulnerabilities, hotspots, code smells, coverage, duplication. Where? In your 450 lines of code. These are the bugs. You have to fix it. Who will fix it? UI developer will fix his bug. Backend developer will fix his bugs. And even we have one bug here. What was the bug? If you go to security review, you will be able to see your bug. This bug is related to DevOps engineer. Why? He has given open password. You're not supposed to hard code the passwords in the code. So where is the risk? In this file. What is the risk? You have documentation. Assess the risk and how to fix the risk. You have solution as well. What you're supposed to do? You have to maintain a secrets. You have to variabilize the password. Then the bug is addressed. Which means if you want to take your code to deployment, dev environment, if you want to onboard to the flight, in your bag, with you, you should not carry any weapons. So that means you should get 0, 0 results here. All should be 0, then only your code is going to deploy to the dev environment. That's called security code scanning. This topic will fall under DevSecOps, not under DevOps, DevSecOps. After scanning your code, the code is being deployed. You see, it's like, you have written a function where function as the particular Java 1.2.5 as function remove the syntax. Some syntax was available in one version, in another version is not available. Yeah, deprecate, right? What is deprecated? So you see, from code commit to code deploy, smoke test. Not only deploy, smoke test. Pipeline is executed successfully. While it is executing anywhere, any problem, we fix it by understanding the error message. Now, if you go to all the way to Tomcat, go to Manager app, reload this page, and see Cloudberry application is deployed. This is the task you did it. This is called DevOps engineer will do it. Cloud engineer will provision infrastructure, cloud management. DevOps engineer will do this CI/CD. We push this artifact to this Tomcat server. Now you can access the web application. How? Who is accessing web application? End customers are using their devices. They are accessing the application which is running here. So this is a CI and CD pipeline which is provisioned by a cloud and DevOps engineer. So if after completion of this course, do you want to claim yourself as a cloud engineer? Yes, you can do it, or DevOps engineer. We went to Naukri and asked DevOps engineer, asked cloud engineer. Both the places, if you take this example, they are looking for DevOps. You see AWS cloud engineer, but they are looking for DevOps engineers. It's not that I'm saying, I have evidence here, I'll show you. Role category. Who can apply this job? Any graduate, any postgraduate. And what kind of topics we discussed just now? On AWS, we are using EC2. We have created a CI/CD pipeline. For this, what kind of knowledge you need? OS module. Because you need to work with the Windows and Linux. You need to work with AWS services. You need to know DevOps, then only you can create CI/CD pipeline. To get the job, you need to have right knowledge. Then you will be able to crack it. Now I stopped all the servers. If you go and access applications, they will not be working. You see, it will not work. So we stop the servers. Even this is also done.